Beginners who are just starting to practice billiards should absolutely not begin with 5-point shots or half-table position shots. If you start with those right away and keep missing, it will quickly kill your confidence and make you lose interest in the game. So as a beginner, you should start with the fundamentals first. Begin by practicing a straight cue action, meaning your stroke has to be perfectly straight and controlled. After that, practice potting a single ball consistently and cleanly. You also need to learn different levels of power control, how to use a soft stroke, medium stroke, and strong stroke depending on the situation. At the same time, you should practice different cue ball spin techniques like high spin, top spin, center ball, stun center hit, and low spin, back spin. Make sure you fully understand and get comfortable with the basic contact points on the cue ball. Then move on to cue ball control drills, where you make the white ball travel forward and come back in a controlled way, completing a natural out and back path without hitting the other two balls placed nearby. This will improve your shot accuracy and cue ball positioning. Once your aim and contact accuracy become solid, then you can start practicing 3-point shots. After that, move on to half-table angle shots, rail-nested cue ball situations, and short-table target shots where the cue ball is close to the cushion. After you gradually master all of these, only then should you start practicing 5-point shots. At that stage, your overall billiards skill will rise very quickly and your game will improve dramatically.